Welcome to BUSN 1190 Digital Technologies. I will be your instructor, Miss Neighbors. I want to begin with an orientation for the course. We will begin on the course homepage. Here you will see announcements and updates, items that are coming due in the near future. Where you're going to want to begin is your Getting Started tab. On Getting Started, you will find the no-show assignment and your syllabi. Make sure to review your syllabi and complete the no-show assignment by the assigned due date. You will have 2 attempts to complete the no-show assignment, and only the highest grade will be recorded. Once the no-show assignment has been completed, you will see an orientation video. I just completed the no-show assignment, so I now have access to the orientation video. You will need to watch the orientation video, and once watched, you will need to mark the item as reviewed. Click Mark Reviewed in order to be able to see the course assignments. The next tab that I'm moving on to is our Lessons tab. Inside of our Lessons tab, you will see your course assignments. You will only see 2 to 3 weeks of assignments at a time. At the top here, you will see your assignment list and all of the due dates for the semester. Each week, you're going to have a folder. Inside of the folder, you will find an assignment sheet, a content presentation, which is a PowerPoint going over the content for this week, any instructional videos related to that content, discussion question, and any of your assignment documents. Each weekly folder is arranged in the same manner. Looking back under the Lessons tab again, you will see just your 2 weeks, and you have an exam right at the beginning of the term, so make sure that you are reviewing your assignment list and all of your due dates to stay current on all of your assignments. Assignments are not graded if they are submitted late in this course. Also, please note the information on your on-campus exam. You have ample time to make sure that your calendar is free for this time. You will be provided with 2 time options that you can choose from. The next area that I'm going to go into are announcements. In your announcements, you're going to see a variety of important items. Make sure to review these. As I grade assignments, you will see new announcements popping up that weekly assignments have been graded. In order to review your grades, you will use your My Grades tab. Under your My Grades tab, you're going to see a list of all of the assignments that you will have this semester. In the far right column, you will see the number of points that are available, and if the assignment has been graded, you'll see the number of points earned. At the very top, you're going to see your cumulative average along with the letter grade associated with that. If at any point in time you have questions about your grades, please contact me. You can contact me using the Send Email feature, and you can select just your instructors. If you encounter issues with Blackboard, you can use the Blackboard Help Form tab. Complete the appropriate information and submit. And if you need to contact me by phone or email, you can use the Instructor Information tab. It contains my email address as well as my telephone number. I'm located on the Appalachian campus if you would like to set up a campus appointment with me. I look forward to working with you this semester.